with another episode of Let's Play Pokemon Black 2 Wedlocke. Now last episode, we have failed and lost our entire party to Berg the Beast. And we are left with only Darmette the Darmaka. So in that episode, we lost our entire party being Danny, Stella, Devin, Chewy, Wendy, and Sky. And all we have left to use for now is Darmette the Darmaka, who I did a lot of off-screen chains for, and is level 29 with Fire Punch, Facade, Thrash, and Work Up. And now if we do not catch a Pokemon soon, which we actually could after, if we can continue on later this episode, which I think we will, if we lose Darmette, then we will lose the Wedlocke. And that means it'll be done for. There is no Wedlocke, unfortunately. Although the Widow Clause is actually something I'm questioning. Now on screen I finished off some trainers here actually. And I went down here once getting to Berg. But we can still challenge him. We still need to challenge him and his spiderweb paint room. Okay, people, it's time. It is time to take on Berg the Beast. Okay, people, here we go. Here we go. I need to focus on this battle and nothing more. Fortunately, since he starts out with Dribble, if I mess up, if that rock blast hits enough, then unfortunately we will lose Darmette. Let's just hope it does a quick setup with Rock Polish so I have a fighting chance doing Fire Punch first. Because once I take out... Oh, I avoided the attack! You gotta be kidding me there. And now it's using Rock Blast. 1, 2... Okay, Darmette survived that. Come on, Fire Punch, do heavy hits, Ooh, it's got the burn, come on, burn, come on, burn, come on, burn! Oh, Citrus burn! Okay, people, I'm really scared right now. I'm really scared here. Okay, come on. One, 2, yes, and it hit 2 times, that's it. And all we need 5 punches to hit, it hits, and this Trouble's gone. Oh, that'll make this gym much more easier. Oh, next up is Carablast. Thankfully, I have a bunch of super potions now. Go ahead and heal up Darmette really quickly. Oh, that was so intense. We could have lost her right then. We could have just lost her there. Hashtag shortest episode ever. Okay, I think we're good to set up with a workup. Often I bought a bunch of super potions and awakening. And even some heal balls, just so when we catch a next Pokemon. Okay, now we're set up with a workup. Let's go on the safe side. I'll use one more super potion. After this one, I'll have 13 left, so no biggie. Just need Darmette to survive for as long as possible. We can just beat this gym and catch another Pokemon, then we have a fighting chance for this Wedlocke. Avoided the Fire Punch. I could go for Thrash for extra power, but... oh, come on, the flinch is flinched! If Darmette can just get the hit off, then... if Darmette can just get a single hit on the vested Pokemon, then we are going to be good. Come on, Fire Punch! Come on, Fire Punch! And there we go, folks. Carablast is now out. Now, if I'm correct, all Berg should have left is maybe his Leviani, of course, and Most likely Swadloon. Probably gonna grass whistle, but I have faith. Use fire punch. Once by seven. Oh yes, it hits. Oh happy days! Oh happy days! Darmette, way to go, and you're level 30 now. That is amazing. You're learning belly jump. Actually, that's not bad. I will toss workout for that. I work up. I will not use it for the rest of the, I will not use it for the battle though, because you're not in good condition right now. There's one Pokemon left. There's one Pokemon left. That's a Shelmet. Wow, it's actually gonna make it easier. It's a Bug and Steel type. First super potion to be safe. Can never be too safe right now. We only have one Pokemon for the rest of this Wedlocke right now. Gonna use Acid. If that is 25, would be a good call, but it did not. Come on, 500. You just need to hit and we win. We win, and it did. Yes. Yes. That was amazing, people. Darmette single-handedly defeated Bird the Beast. And we get badge number 3, and we can continue this Wedlocke. Amazing, folks. That was just amazing. Oh. Yes. I got the insect badge. Oh my god, yes. We get TM76 Struggle Bug. Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast right now. But we did it, folks. We survived. We can continue. Oh, let's just go ahead and heal Darmette up before we continue on to the next route. Because we are able to catch a Pokemon in the Desert Resort next. So it'll be probably pretty interesting if we can get a ground type Pokemon like Sandile. It'll definitely be much more useful than like a Sigilith. But since Darmette is a female, this next Pokemon has to be male. But first, we have to survive Colress. Yeah, I think we do. I haven't played this game in quite a while. Oh, but really, there's actually major news for Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire today. And there was a reveal of 3 brand new mechas. The much anticipated and well thought out known Mega Camerupt and Mega Sharpedo. And that's what's going to be amazing. They're obviously going to be version exclusive megas, probably. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and battle calls in Route 4. Yeah, so there was Mega Camerupt, Mega Sharpedo, and Mega Gallade is now confirmed as well. And let me tell you, Mega Gallade's going to be probably a little interesting. There's nothing to know about its typing or its ability yet. But we do know that Wally will actually be using one. And for the 3rd time, we will be battling this breeder. Breeder Irene just won't quit. But she has Trooper and Meryl. Even though they're lower level, that can still be a little threat. Okay, Darmette's 12 levels above it. Let's just go for Thrash there. That's why I kept Facade on Darmette, because the next gym is going to be electric. We're definitely going to have to do some battling there. But there are 2 connecting routes to the next city, and we can catch yet another couple probably this episode. We definitely would be quadrupling the amount of Pokemon by this episode, probably. But I think I might actually just hold off on the Desert Resort right now, because I'm going to see if I can catch some sort of different Pokemon for Darmette's mate. Because the Desert Resort, it'll have like Scraggy, Sandile, Sigilus, and other Pokemon. So, yeah, so we're battling Chorus right now. In the next route, in the other two routes, we can catch some more Pokemon. But Chorus is sending out his Magnemite first. So, thankfully, we have our Fire type. Fire Punch its face. But it has 30, but we got the burn off, so it doesn't matter because it will die anyway. So nice work on the burn there. Actually really close to level 31, and Darmette and Darmette is evolved into Darmette at level 35, I believe. It'll definitely be really close, and I know that once she evolves into Darmette, she'll have the ability Sheer Force. Gave it a secondary effect of some moves here. Not sure what would actually be for certain. Like, if I were to have to guess though, I think maybe Thrash would give it the Confusion part. That's a second effect, probably. Maybe not, I don't know. I'm too stupid to remember this kind of stuff. Ooh, it's gonna continue to grind its gears. You know what really grinds my gears, Kling Klang? You! Oh, no, it's just plain. I said Kling Klang. Yeah. But now that Wally's been confirmed to come back, like to make some sort of appearance back on Mega Ruby off Sapphire, imagine what his new team will be like. Because like in the final battle with him, he uses Pokemon like Roselia and Magneton, who now have regular evolution to them. So he could have Roselia and Magnezone now. Oh, come on, it's just avoiding every attack I can throw at it! You can raise the special defense all you want. I'm a physical attacker right here. Thank you! Yeesh, that took a long time. But Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire will eventually be future playthroughs for this channel. As soon as Omega Ruby comes out, I'll definitely be getting it as soon as possible. Ooh, we're getting some protein. I think that'll be really good for Darmette, actually. So let's scroll down to that. And yes, it'll be perfect. Yeah, I also got some Castelia cones, apparently. Swords even worse Fine Awakenings. I'll just really quickly explore these buildings. No, I'll explore them later. I want to catch a bunch of Pokemon right now. Because we have to go through Join Avenue. Come on, just hurry up and just get over with this. I don't want to buy anything. No. Sheesh, there's another thing you can't say no to. So, what's my favorite phrase? I'll just say YouTube in all caps. Yeah, what to say when you're impressed? I'll just say cool. Yada 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 yada. I don't care about Joint Avenue. Joint Avenue is a stupid place. See, nickname for the Avenue only. See, so I was thinking over here. My title for the avenue is going to be Pokemon Bro, because that's all I can fit. Okay, so thankfully that's done with. Okay, so first at hand I'll go right here to heal up. Yeah, I think I said earlier about this was the Widow Clause. Not sure that's something I want to continue actually. Because I'm realizing it could be a really big dent to the team. So, but without further ado, let's just go ahead and head over to this route. I'm just heading to this route for no special reason. And a fourth battle. So was challenged by some sort of train conductor or whatever. Then you thrash. I just really want to catch a Pokemon! Let's just do it, let's just do it! So here we go, Pokemon number 1 for the round is a Gothita. Okay, so not going to be 100%, we're going to be good to attack it. To be safe, I'll go for Facade being the weakest move. Why can't we have nice things? Well, we failed. Big time. Thankfully, we got 2 more routes we have a chance at catching Pokemon at. But Darmette is too strong. We have to take on another gym with just her? I hope not. Thankfully, because... Okay, so here's Bianca saying, oh, hey. She's going to show us the hidden grottos and give us HMO2 for Fly. And actually, the hidden grotto Minchino is what I will be catching in this route. I'm not actually sure if hidden grottos count as their own separate thing. If they do, then that'll be great, because then any hidden grotto I count could hopefully count as their own independent place. And if so, I can still I still have a chance of quadrupling my Pokemon. So the Widow's Claws I'm thinking of canceling from now on because Well, it was a really challenging claw to actually use. But look, it's a Minchino. It's so cute. I just want to hug it and squeeze it and feed it with food. Well, since I didn't see anything come up at the moment because I was talking, I'm just going to have a quick look again. Okay, but it's still good to catch this Minchino. Of course, we can't attack it. Thankfully, it is a male. I'm not even going to try to weaken it. I'm just going to throw my balls at it and hope for the best. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, nice count of football. We still have hope, people. We have hope of continuing this game. So Minchino, the chinchilla Pokemon. Minchino greet each other by grooming one another thoroughly with their tails. So I think, actually, I will nickname this Minchino Butler. Like, if it was, like, maybe if it was a female, then it could probably be, like, maid, but it's a male. So it's stupid. But we have hope, people. We now have hope to continue. Minchino's now going to be permanently paired with Darmette, the Darmaka. Really quick, I'm going to put Butler up in the front slot, and he actually has an item. And it was a Chesto Berry. So actually, really quick, let's go over what Butler has. So, quirky nature, so I'm just going to get up and look at the chart really quick. Okay, you gotta be kidding me. Quirky, this is another nature that does not increase anything. I am not getting good luck with natures. But anyway, Butler is level 23. Some pretty balanced stats, actually. It has a really high speed. It has Skill Link, as it's with the Dream World ability, as it's called in this game. And it has Double Slap, Encore, Swift, and Sing. So, not bad. Thankfully, because Butler didn't lose any damage while battling it, we don't need to heal up. So, really quick, I'm going to head to the Desert Resort. And we can get Pokemon number 3. Even though it will be unnecessary for the gym right now, because I'll probably stick to Darmette and Butler. It'll just be nice to have another Pokemon as soon as possible. Let's dig it off the bike. Now, we didn't have to do that double battle. Not bad for us. So please let this Desert Resort be an extra area. Please, 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 please. And we are good. Let's get something good, something good, something good. No whammies, no whammies, no whammies. It's a Dwebble. Not bad, actually. It's not good, but hey, it's not bad. We have Butler up first. We're going to just use Sing Put to sleep. We know that did not hit. We'll just hope Butler is still a little bit faster and we can use Encore, actually. Nope, it's good in Smackdown. Not good. Okay, I only hope it's this Great Ball to hit. Butler will not survive Smackdown. So come on, Great Ball, hit. No! Ooh, Butler survived. Oh my god! Yes! Butler survived. Go, super potion! Okay, let's just hope the thing can hit. If the thing can hit, then we have the best fighting chance ever. Yay! For a second there, I almost thought we were gonna lose Butler. Nope. And just to be on the safe side, I will use a super potion once again. Okay, let's do this. Let's go, Pokeball! Come on. 1, 2, 3, and we are good! Hallelujah, baby! We're good with this Dwebble! Dribble, the rock in Pokemon, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Oh, man. So, nickname for a female Dwebble. Let me think here. Tricky. I really hate coming up with nicknames sometimes. I could nickname it Rocky, but that would just be too easy, and plus that's a boy name. Trying to look around my room for inspiration really quick. But actually, I need to cut the video off just for a quick second because I've been holding and going to the bathroom for this entire episode. And give me some time to come up with nicknames, so I'll be right back. And back, and while I took that quick time off, I thought of a perfect nickname for this Dwebble because it caused us so much trouble last episode. I am going to nickname this Dwebble Pandora. Oh, dang it. Biggest fail ever. I spelled Pandora. I accidentally clicked on a Q instead of an R. See, look. Pandoqua, or whatever. That was a mistake, so as soon as I find the nickname Raider guy, I'll definitely change her. But her real nickname will be Pandora. That's something I'll just write correctly when we do for the intro kind of stuff. But overall, we still made some pretty good time for this episode. There's actually one last thing I will do, and then I will call it. It'll be a perfect time to ask that, in my opinion. So let's just head back down to, it's in Boston City, yeah, that's it. That's what it's called. Now we're going to do that double battle with two pipeline dudes. Okay. So just quickly heal up. Okay, I also need to give you guys the quick update on Dribble. I didn't really read its nature. All I saw was like a bee, so it's either going to be bashful or something like that. If it's bashful, then we're just going to have terrible nature block this episode. Or like for the entire game. So here's Pandora the Dribble. And it has the docile nature, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be a non-boosting stat, and I'm just going to go really quick to look again. Okay, really, you gotta be kidding me. The 3 Pokemon we have for the rest of this game right now, they all have non-boosting natures. What is going on? I bet the next Pokemon that's gonna be Pandora's mate's gonna have a non-boosting stat too. She's having terrible luck. So I'm keeping Butler at the front of the party still. This will actually be the only time we interact with the other character. And it looks like those two are called subway bosses. So here we go, we're going to double battle against Ingo and Emmett. Let's do this! Challenged by Subway Boss Ingo and Subway Boss Emmett. They're sending out Bulldor and Girder. Well, this is just some big middle finger. The frickin' rock type and a frickin' fighting type against the duo of Pokemon who are weak to both those typings. So let's do us a favor and take out that Bulldor for us. We don't want to see its face anymore. It's ugly. Oh, it just had to have sturdy. Well, you know, as they say, when the going gets tough, the tough uses Super Potion. Just take out the Bulldor for us, it'll be easier. Thank you! On the bright side, at least this thing doesn't have, like, Surf. Or else you'd really be screwed. But, oh, Darmette avoided that rock throw like a boss. Yeah, once this battle is over, I will call the episode off. Yeah, one last thing, like, I've noticed, like, okay, these episodes I really upload really late in the night. It's something I cannot control. Like, I have school and I don't get home until 4 or 4:30. And then it takes about a half hour just to record these videos. And then even longer just to upload them. So timing's not really something I can control. If they were to get uploaded later, then they'd be much shorter. So there we go, we have defeated Subway bosses Ingo and Emmett. And that would be a really good time to call this episode off as soon as all this blabbity blab 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 is done for. Yeah, I know, we're amazing. I'm totally amazing. Seriously, you wanna watch Ferris wheel now? Come on, let's go. It'll be some fun times. Oh, and we're getting the Versus recorder. There we go. That's what it's called. Yeah, so, once again, thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe for more YouTube videos. And really, tell all your friends about this who are interested in Pokemon. Because I really want the publicity for this channel. I'm almost at double-digit subscribers. So I guess that will be it for now. I'm the Pokemon Brother, and I am out of here.